So I'm carrying on learning how to do CAD and 3D printing and how to make everything work, and I've made this cool thing. So it looks like a cube with just some circles on it, but it's actually two separate pieces. You see the piece inside here is a completely separate piece printed in place, sort of a truncated sphere inside this cage, cubic cage. And so I just designed this on shape. I thought it might be a cool thing to try and print something with the sort of captive piece inside, which is obviously, it's been done. Lots and lots of 3D printing involves this kind of captive parts like this, but yeah, I thought I'd try and design and print one. It worked out pretty well. It took me 2 goes to get the spacing right. It's 0.6 millimeters I've left between the inner and the outer pieces here. And you can find this link to the Onshape files for this in the description. You can see the Onshape CAD online if you have an Onshape account, and I'll put a link to printables as well if you want to print one yourself. If you have one of those fancy 3D printers that can do multiple colours, I'd love to see one of these with the ball inside in a different colour. And there's other things you could do with this as well. I'm thinking maybe you could do a version like this, but with the sphere inside could be hollow, or with something inside, a Vitruvian man or something inside the centre of the sphere. It would look cool as it rotates. We can make a dice version maybe. And it's quite cool to see. I don't know if it shows up on the camera, but if I try and get the angle just right there, you can see the sort of faceted shape of the sphere, which is that's not in the CAD. That's just due to the way the 3D printer obviously has a limited resolution as it steps across the surface of the sphere. Looks pretty cool. So yeah, I hope you think that's interesting. Let me know if you have any comments or suggestions for what else to do with this kind of design, and I'll see you next time.